80% of the welding done in the United States is done manually. But now we can do that with AI. All right.
Good to be hanging out here at the Path booth.
Yeah.
Here at Automate. You were giving a talk on going beyond the hype around AI, and I believe that's very relevant to the solution you're doing.
I have been in AI since 1999. Fast forward to now, when I look at what we're able to do with the technology and the capability, it is just, it's mind-blowing how far it's come. And what's happened is because so much of the market wasn't aware of what all was happening with AI back even since the 50s, that it seems all of a sudden. And so now there's all this hype around it. And everyone's trying to figure out, but what's real? Like, how do I actually get business value out of this technology? Robotics in manufacturing and welding, it's not new. It's been around for 50 years or more, and there are solutions out on the market, particularly in like tier 1 automotive, that are phenomenal. But that is 20% of our market. Because 80% of the welding done in the United States is done manually. And that's because we don't have perfect parts, we don't have perfect fit up, and we don't have this, really low mix, high volume environment for all of manufacturing. So there's this gap. And the reason the gap's there is because the technology has not been able to see what it's about to do, understand and think about what it's seeing and react. But now we can do that with AI. So we can teach a system to say, okay, if you see this part and the fit up is not perfect, there's a slight gap and it's within a certain tolerance, we can now know, we've seen that before, we know how to handle that gap, the robot can go in and adjust and adapt to that variation. And that is the difference, and that's the game changer. And that is real. We're doing that today for lots of customers. And what it does is it unlocks potential areas you could not automate before. It also improves quality because now we're able to do scans of that weld post-scanning and see, did we meet the quality standard that we were expecting? And then we feed that back into the AI model to constantly learn and constantly improve.